Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub. Some of my students, they have actually shared their feelings with me about IELTS, and they've just informed me that they don't feel like studying, they don't feel like doing some tests, listening, reading and all that, and at times they lose hope and IELTS becomes a nightmare for them, and they're asking me for solution, what to do and all that. Well guys, let me tell you one thing. If the way is difficult, reward is wonderful, right? Reward is going to be wonderful. If your life is easy today, there is no tomorrow in that life. And if your life is hard and you're going through hardships and you are struggling through hardships, the reward or your tomorrow is going to be amazing. So as far as IELTS is concerned, I usually say this thing, IELTS is life changer. IELTS is something that is going to give you wings to fly. Basically, IELTS is like, IELTS is wings, okay? Grammatically wrong, I don't care. So IELTS is going to provide you wings to fly to your destination country. And without IELTS, you are a wingless bird. And a wingless bird is actually for predators. Like wingless birds are eaten by predators. So be careful. Listen to me. When your future is blurred, when your future is unclear, when all you see is darkness in your future, when your future goals are when your future goals seem to be impossible, when you think that you cannot do it, then you fall prey to these negative feelings, and then it's just like a vicious cycle, and you go through this vicious cycle and you never come out, and eventually you think you should give up and you should change your plans and all that. Let me tell you, getting your desired band in IELTS is very, very rewarding. You guys have no idea. It is very, very rewarding. Imagine you're planning to go to Canada, right? You get 6 band in all modules and 8 band in one module and all that, and you reach your destination country. So the reward is going to be outstanding after that. Now, those who believe in the beauty of their dreams, they work day and night to fulfill their desires and to make their dreams come true. And those who don't believe in the beauty of their dreams, now what's the beauty of your dreams? The beauty of your dreams, that is Canadian lifestyle. People in Canada, Canadian shopping malls, the way you are going to live in Canada, the way you are going to enjoy your life in Australia, beaches of Australia. One of my students, he was not getting any motivation. He wanted to go to Australia. I recommended him some beaches of Australia. He watched some documentaries about them, and then he said, I'm dying to go to Australia. So if you are dying to reach your destination country, you will work extremely hard to go through IELTS and you will do it successfully. Let me tell you, everything in life, every action in life has got a reaction. Every past action has got a reaction in present. For example, if today I'm sitting in front of you with 1.22 million subscribers and I'm making this video for you, so it is because of some actions I performed in the past that today I'm getting reactions, and my today's actions are going to show some reactions in my future. So if you're not going to act, and in English it is say, whenever you act, act wisely. If you are not going to act wisely, there will be no reaction in your future. Life is going to be as it is today. In English it is said, whatever you sow, so shall you reap. So whatever I sowed in the past, I used to be an English language teacher, ordinary English language teacher. I started my career from a street academy with 4 students. See, very humble beginning, very, very humble beginning. And then one day I was asked to teach IELTS. My first reaction was, no, I cannot do it. But then they insisted, they said, you are English language teacher. You can teach IELTS, there is no problem. I met a couple of friends and some friends said, it's difficult. One of my friends gave me reading test. He said, do it. I couldn't do it. He said, IELTS is difficult. You can't do it. But one of my friends, he actually came up and he said, well, you can do it. 4 modules, reading, writing, listening, speaking. They play the audios. You listen and answer, no problem. So he relaxed me. And then he guided me. And then I worked hard and I became an IELTS trainer in the past. And today I am in front of you. If I would have refused that offer of becoming IELTS trainer, today you would never know me. You would never know any Asad Yaqub or anything like that. See that? So whatever I sowed in the past, I am reaping the crop today. And whatever I'm going to sow today, I will reap that in the future. Why don't you understand this simple thing? You should try to understand, okay? Yes, so please work hard. You know, you have no other way. What will you do? As we belong to developing countries, that's why we are going to a foreign country. You will never see people in Canada that they are planning to go to any other country and all that. They are there. I mean, they are the best countries, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. So we have to do this. You know, there is no other way. And the other way is not acceptable. If you don't go there, what will you do? I mean, sometimes then you're not fit for the society and all that. So you guys are made for those societies, Canadian lifestyle, Australian societies, British societies and all that, okay? So please, you know, this is the time when you are reshaping your lives. This is the time when you are carving the sculpture of your life. You have the tools in your hand and you are carving this sculpture of your life. Now it depends on you what you carve. You are going to carve something. If you work hard, you're going to carve a wonderful sculpture. If you don't work hard, you know the difference between stone and sculpture is only carving. Stone is something which is without effort, without any attention, and sculpture is something which has gained some effort, attention, and sculpture is masterpiece. Stone is only stone. So now you're going to be, I mean, for example, if today you are a stone, do you want to remain or would you like to be a stone in the future? Or would you like to turn yourselves into a sculpture, a wonderful sculpture? Choice is yours. You guys can reshape your lives, and whatever you act today, it will reflect in your future. Not far away future. I'm not talking about any long future. I'm talking about foreseeable future. After 2 months, after 3 months, after 6 months, your actions will reflect into your future. So please, you see, I am just IELTS trainer. I'm doing my job. I've got more than 4,000 videos on my channel. 90% videos are on IELTS. So if you don't play your role wisely, today you are lucky that you have resources. You are lucky that you have support from your parents. You are lucky that you have the right environment. You are lucky that you have the gadgets, that you are watching my videos and all that. All these supports are available for you. All these resources are available for you. And even now, if you don't perform well, then you're going to repent in the future and then nothing will happen. Nothing will happen at all in the future. So if, you know, sometimes it is said, in order to change your life, one quotation is enough. One quotation can change your life. And if you don't want to change your life, you read 100 motivational books, you listen to 50 motivational speakers, there will be no change in your life. Anyways, I'm playing my role and I would love you to be in your destination country and then send me a selfie from your destination country and I'll show that selfie to others to motivate them and they will come after you as well. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best in this universe. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.